are now in New York City.
I can't stay. No, I always gotta go. Playing house, this ain't a home with my soul. On the road, I can't stay.
We went to Brooklyn Bagel. I got the everything bagel with an egg sandwich with hash browns and avocado. It's so good. How do you like your bagel, B?
It's very good.
I literally had to change. Like, I don't know if you guys noticed, but I had like this thick material crop top and it was just not doing it for me, even if it was a crop top. Yeah, I changed. I changed from pants to shorts. Now we're eating. It is so freaking hot still. There's a lot of people. It's hot. It is hot. How's Times Square?
Definitely not a square.
I think they just make it look so glamorous.
No, I knew. I already knew. And I even told you. I said don't put your expectations up too high because New York is not what you think it is. So this is actually better than what I was expecting.
We're shopping at Zara. I did want a couple things, but there's just no point. We just got blue bottle. I got matcha, of course. Thoughts? Good. I feel like it's a little bit watered down. It's not very creamy.
But we are living the Serena van der Woodsen life. Serena van der Woodsen, Chuck Bass.
We're now at the infamous Grand Central Terminal. Serena van der Woodsen.
She was either right here or right here, and then Dan was somewhere down there. So freaking cool.
Okay, so I feel like this vlog has been all over the place. So we are in New York City, obviously, but today we were basically just doing a bunch of like touristy things. We went to Times Square, as you guys saw. We saw the Grand Central Terminal. It was just such a fast and tiring day. It was so hot today. It was like 90 degrees. I know that doesn't seem like crazy hot. If I'm actually kind of being honest, I didn't think New York was like this. Maybe it's just because it's the heat. It just didn't make me feel great being in the city. We do have a couple more days. We literally have an exact week left, but the thing is, tomorrow we're actually leaving for Boston. We're gonna come back to New York, but we're gonna be going to Boston, Massachusetts, just to visit a family friend. She offered us a hotel, which was really sweet, so we are gonna go see her. Also, I'm dressed in workout clothes because I just finished going to the gym. It's the day after Boston. I'm literally wearing the same outfit I wore for the first day of New York. Now the weather is so much better. It's like not as cold, not too hot. And right now we are walking to Kith.
Welcome to my vlog. Miss Girl right here is too shy to vlog. I'm helping her.
Kith.
And y'all look, New York. Woo! In New York, concrete jungle.
We just left Kith. We just ate our ice cream. I really like this area of New York. Okay, we're gonna eat first and then we're gonna head to Leeuwen Bakery because I heard they have really good cookies. We are at Sweetgreen's and I literally got so much dressing by mistake. I'm gonna try and finish this. starting to get used to how to use the subway, which is really good. We just came out of Soho, or like some NoHo area. Basically 2 more full days here. It's a Sunday and today is actually a very nerve-wracking yet exciting day. I'm actually going to be getting my very first tattoo today. Before this trip, I kind of just really planned it. I just wanted to be spontaneous and get my first tattoo in New York. I don't know. My boyfriend was sweet enough to kind of also make this part of my birthday present. I'm going to be doing it today. I think the only thing is I can't really have people with me, so my sisters can't come inside, which makes sense because of COVID and everything. That's what's happening today. I also feel like I needed to sit down and just talk because this vlog has kind of been all over the place. So the tattoo shop is actually close to Washington Square Park, so I think that's where my sisters are just gonna stay and chill while I get the tattoo. I'll definitely try and get some clips of everything just so you guys are able to see what's happening. So those are the plans today.
We're driving down the boulevard, cruising with the windows down, feeling like we run this town. Your song is on the radio, the one you
came back for more Kith treats. Hazel's probably jealous. And then we went to try out the Leeuwen bakery, which is right across the street. And look at that line. I waited in that line for so long. I only got 2 cookies. It's later in the day. Right now we're just walking to Whole Foods. We're just gonna grab a couple of things to eat for dinner. It's just me and Dave. Everyone's at the hotel, just super tired, but we're gonna grab some food, stuff for dinner. That's pretty much it for the day. We have 2 more days. 2 more days. Stop! It's the next day. Right now we are back in Soho area and we're gonna head towards Urban Outfitters. We just came from Van Leeuwen. I got an affogato with the honeycomb and it's really, really good. Now it's just espresso, but today it was supposed to rain like all day long. We were prepared for it. Now it's not even raining. Might rain again tomorrow, which tomorrow is actually our last full day. Are you sad about it? Yeah. She said don't talk about it. Yesterday we tried out the cookies and we actually really like the Leeuwen bakery, so we're gonna come back tomorrow because I really want to give Hazel and his family some cookies and some desserts. We just went to Upside Pizza again for the 2nd time. I finished it. There's my mom and my dad.
Dad, give a speech about the trip so far.
What do you think about the pizza?
It's yummy.
Pizza is really good, nothing compared to California.
Central Park now. We're going towards the Met. It is closed, but we're just gonna go see the steps. We came from the 9/11 memorial. I filmed a little bit of that. This is where Blair Waldorf
her crew and her squad
would always sit. Here we are. We are at the Upper East Side. Here is the Met. We are sitting at the steps of the Met. After this, we're just gonna walk around Central Park, and then I think that's pretty much it for the day. We're just chilling. So we were gonna go visit where Blair and Chuck got married, but it looks like they closed it off. How rude. But here we are at the fountain. It's our last full day today. We are going to the edge right now. It's like this whole platform where you get to stand on glass and see the entire city. She's not going, my mom's not going. It's just gonna be my dad and my little sister. We're on our way to the edge. We're in Disneyland.
We're getting our $38 worth.
Yeah. Oh. Oh. How did that open? Whoa! 100 floors? Oh my gosh. Thank you. Oh my gosh. Dude. Brooklyn Bridge. We've gone to what? All 5 bureaus today. This is probably one of the last things that we're gonna be doing today. We're still gonna go to Soho to go shopping a little bit, but we're here at the bridge. Literally it's the 3rd day in a row that we're eating this. It's just so good. We're at the Tompkins Square Park right now. We just got finished shopping at like Soho area, and now we're just chilling, taking it all in because we're gonna take our last subway back to the hotel, and then tomorrow morning we are going home. This is pretty much the end of our trip now. We're going home tomorrow morning, and our layover is in Seattle, and we will be home. I get to see Hazel. Let's freaking go.